Hey fam, this is Jennifer back again with another quick video. Whew. It's the middle of the day and I need to stand up and take a break. I've been working from home, but I wanted to do this quick video to get my hair off my face and get myself video ready so when I talk to the students. So I'm going to do a short video on how to get video ready when you are working from home and you don't necessarily want to put on a whole lot of makeup or whatever the case is, but you do want to look like you didn't just roll out of bed. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to work on my hair. I have already spritzed my hair with water and some oil this morning. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my brush. I'm going to have 4 of these small bands right here. And I want you to see these bands like that. They come in, you can get these from the beauty supply, and they're great for people who don't have a whole lot of hair yet. And so what I'm going to do is gather my hair into like 4 sections. And I'm going to start with this to make it look kind of like this. I might pull that one up there. Okay, so this is your first ponytail. It's basically a series of ponytails designed to keep your hair off your neck and out of your face. As you know, I'm approaching my 5-month anniversary of being locked. So I've still got baby locks, so I try not to keep them in a style more than a day or two, and I try not to put a whole lot of tension on them. But what I'm doing, I've done up 1 ponytail, and I've just grabbed another little bit of hair and done a second ponytail. So I'm gonna get my brush and kind of just brush up the edges. Okay, and then I'm gonna work on my kind of tuck hair in. Okay, then I'm going to work on a 3rd ponytail, and I'm going to try to put it higher up, like so. And if your hair gets too thick to use the small little rubber bands, I just use the small rubber bands, because when you have shorter hair, the bigger rubber bands, I don't have to double them up. In other words, I don't have to do this to them as I would with a bigger band. So because they're already small, I can just put them on, and it's less likelihood that I will tear my hair or put too much tension on it. And so the last one is the last hairband. Okay. Oh, this one piece keeps sticking out. Okay, so I'm going to tuck that in. If you need to use a pin or a couple of pins, that's fine. Okay, and you can see that it's a little fuzzy. And I'm going to try to brush this kitchen up. These BB shots, what we call BB shots or naps, nicely referred to as naps. I'm going to show you the back view, how it looks. Okay. All right, and so now for my finishing touch, I don't have my head wrap. Normally I would put a head wrap on. I'm going to do 2 scoops of foam of this product right here. It is called Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Mousse. So I'm just going to kind of put that on like that. And of course, at this point is where I would tie my hair down, which I will do. And then I'm going to come back and just show you a quick something about what you can do for your face if you don't want to look overly made up, but you still want to look like you didn't roll out of the bed in the morning. So I'll be right back with that. And I'm going to tie my hair up so you can see. Okay, all right. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to do a few little things so I can get myself camera ready. Of course, you will always want to start off with a clean face. If you don't hear anything else from me, and if nothing else makes any sense, you will always hear me say, wash your face. Especially in the times that we're living in right now, your face should always be clean, because you don't want to touch your face and get any germs or anything on it. So you should always wash your face twice a day. And you will always hear me say that. Okay, once in the morning, once at night, or when you come home from work or whatever. But I'm going to start off with a product that I absolutely love. And when I mean wash your face too, is what I mean by that is wash and moisturize, okay? So I've already washed and moisturized my face this morning. And I'm starting off with my trusty brow tint, okay? And I'm going to just, and this is in brunette, by the way. It comes in several colors. I don't like the dark brown because I feel like that's too harsh against my skin, but some people like the dark brown or the blue, the brown black. But I use the brunette. And typically, the color that you would use on this brow tint goes with your hair color. So I have a little bit of blonde highlights in my hair, a little brown color, a light brown in my hair. So I'm gonna go with a lighter color. But if I was dyed black, I might have gone with a darker color, if that makes sense. Okay, so again, not much, but I'm gonna use my second product that's my trusty everyday product, which is my foundation primer. And what the foundation primer does is it just sets the scene for a clean surface and a smooth surface. So what it does, it has a technology in it that gives the appearance of a smoother, even tone surface. It also allows for when you do put on your makeup that you will use less of it. And I put this on prior to putting on makeup because it extends your makeup. It's a primer. Just like you use primer for paint on the wall, a primer covers imperfections. So it kind of smooths you out. Without it, you see it was a clear thing. So you just put that on. Now, I would say I'm pretty much ready, camera ready. If I want to just do a little glossy lip, then I'm just gonna put on a little Satin Lips Butter Balm, okay? Again, if you're not a makeup person, that would be all that you need. Of course, we want to start off with a clean face, as always. For me, I'm going to do just a little bit more, but I'm not going to do what I call my base face, which is putting on my CC cream. I'm not going to put on my base face, but what I am going to do is just two other things really quickly. And one of that is to put on just a little concealer under my eye, because I have a little shadow going on under there. So I'm just going to put a little concealer under my eye like that, just to take out that shadow. Okay, work that in, blend that in. I'm going to put on just a little eyeliner, just to make my eyes pop out just a little. And of course, you do what you're comfortable with. Some people like mascara to do that. I like eyeliner. I have very sensitive eyes, so I try not to put on too much mascara. It'll make my eyes water. So I try, especially during this time of the year. So I do it sometimes, but not all the time. And then I'm going to do my last step, which is to take some translucent powder. You might get a little shine during the day, and you want to kind of negate that shiny look. It's time for some more translucent powder. And take a little bit of that, and take one of these older brushes that we used to use for liquid makeup. You could use any brush, a powder brush will work. This is just the brush that I have available. And just take away some of the area where you are known to shine a little bit. Okay, so that is it. That is it. That's all I will do before I go in front of the camera. And of course, my hair is away from my face. And we'll take off the head wrap now that I've kind of used the mousse, and it kind of tames the frizzies a little bit. So this is a great little mousse to use. It has no, it's a natural product. It's called Medium Hold for Defined Styles, and it's a certified natural ingredient. It has no sulfates, mineral oil, or petroleum. Yeah, petroleum. So this will be a great little thing to do when you're just trying to get camera ready. You want to look like you did not roll out of bed, but you want to look done. Now, of course, you could add lip gloss, lipstick, but this is for my natural girls who don't necessarily want to wear a whole lot of makeup, but want to look put together. And this is how you do that. And it all starts with, guess what? Good skincare. Washing your face is not going to do it. Washing your face with water only is not going to do the job. I'm sorry. So until next time, see you soon.